Assalamualaikum and greetings to all of you. Today, we will be presenting Safety Interlock System SIS in petrochemical industry. What is Safety Interlock System? Safety Interlock System is a collection of SIS designed to bring an industrial process to a safe condition in the event of multiple dangerous deflected condition. It is known as Emergency Shutdown ESD or Protective Instrument System PIS. This system serves as an additional layer of protection against process equipment damage, adverse environmental impact, and or human injury beyond the protection normally offered by a properly operating regulatory control system.
Valve interlock system. A valve interlock is a trap key lock assembly which lock the valve in one or two positions, open and close, with one key trapped within the lock assembly and one key free. It's about controlling the sequence of events conducting different valve process activities. To change the valve position, open to close or close to open, two keys need to be inserted into the lock assembly. The free key can be only released when the valve is in the open or closed position. Alternatively, a single key interlock only allow removal of the lock open or closed key when the valve is in the correct locking position. Operating conditions of the valve interlock. First, one PSV/PSVA is operational and other PSV/PSVB is standby. Key B is taken from the control room. Second, insert key B into valve 4 and close by releasing key A. Key A can be taken to the control room to keep PSVB isolated for maintenance. To change over putting PSVA into operation and PSVB into operation, insert key B into valve 1 and open by releasing key C. Insert key C into valve 2 and close by releasing key D, which can be taken to the control room. PSVB is now in operation and PSVA is in standby. Lastly, to further isolate PSVA for maintenance, insert key D into valve 3 and close releasing key E. Key E can be taken to the control room to keep PSVA isolated by maintenance. Both PSVs will never be closed simultaneously, ensuring that at least one PSV is always available for equipment protection.
Type of safety interlock system or guard locking. This type of safety interlock system is functioning as a key operated interlock with solenoid locking and positive opening contact. It is used for pivoting or sliding guards. Also, hazards that stop slowly or are close to the guard. The second one is magnetic. The function of these types of safety interlock system is multiple rate contacts and coded magnet. This magnetic safety interlock system is used for pivoting or sliding guards, washdown applications, close tolerance and size limitation. The third one is standard mechanical safety interlock. Standard mechanical safety interlock is the safety interlocks and a detached or separate coded actuator. This actuator generally set up or mounted on the gate and line up or aligned to the housing that set up at the structures.
Example of safety interlock system. First, high fluid gate pressure initiate action to close the main fluid gas valve. Second, high reactor temperature initiate action to open cooling media valve. And third, high distillation column pressure initiate action to open vent valve. Conclusion. As a conclusion, safety is an important part of any industry, especially in hazardous industry such as oil and gas and chemical industry. Safety interlock system is a vital industry. In a world of safety, It is something that prevents possible damage or death to people operating that process or equipment.
You're